bit of a different campground last night. The what was it, Berry Park?
Yeah, Berry Park.
Berry Park
Lions.
was the Lions Club. And in town, a lot of traffic noise, and quite a few people around, quite a few overnight stops. And it looks like a few people always living there. It was a reasonable stop, wasn't it?
It's okay though.
Yeah. Felt quite safe a bit.
There's a big sport ground there and another big green space there. Could have dog off lead, and she had a run with the ball this morning and last night. Stuff like that. Some picnic tables, barbecues. We actually cooked on the barbecue there last night. So it saved us getting all that kit out. It's like having a little night off, really.
Yeah. Didn't have to set anything up.
Some public toilets, which were a little bit questionable, but they were fine. Just made a nice quick getaway this morning because we've got a bigger drive to get up to Tamworth today. So we wanted to get away early, and we have done. So it was a nice cruisy little spot, really.
After spending the afternoon racing around the Bathurst racetrack.
Yeah. That was a treat.
Yeah.
Long time watchers of the race, generationally so, and first time visiting. Definitely a bucket list. One day we might get there to actually watch the race.
Yeah, we should. It was amazing to see the track, which you've watched on TV so many times, and it doesn't look as hilly as it actually is. Those hills are really steep.
Yeah.
And those curves and that are brutal.
And coming through that cutting up the top there where you, like the drop down is just so steep. It's crazy. And the speeds that they go through that area of the track, it blows my mind.
Yeah.
Just coming into Windamere Dam. Windamere Weir, actually, I think it is. Let me see. It's both a dam and a weir. Like Windamere. It's got a few different names.
Onward. This track a few times.
Yeah. Just crossing around. Clear left. Still clear left. Clear, clear, clear. Where's Creek? W-E-double-R, I guess.
Oh, I see.
Yes, just standing there. Hope he's not stuck. He's exactly where I saw him.
In Tamworth, we stayed at the Paceway campground. It was well run and very popular, good value, and it was set round the local trotting track.
In New South Wales. David Gordon Kirkpatrick turned himself into slim dust and recorded the land and a hillbilly named Chad Morgan, who's as Australian as a duck-billed platypus.
Boy, I love bootin', and he started his talents to fly.
Yet another extravaganza.
Yeah.
Spaghetti and meatballs.
You're upset.
I don't think so. Hard could it be?
How hard could it possibly be? Got my hiking phone.
Yeah. We walked up the first section of the Kamilaroi Walking Trail just to have a look at some tank art. It was a pretty steep climb up that first section. We dropped into the Powerhouse Museum and were shown around by one of the enthusiastic volunteers. He told us that Tamworth was the first city in Australia to have electric streetlights. Walking through the museum gave us a great glimpse of Tamworth and Australian history.
You would not want to be near those feet, would you?
No.
Hello. You got a bit of a nice hairdo too. Andy. Do you want to scratch? Yourself.
that you?
I think the 80k speed limit's more an ambition than a speed limit. We were driving towards Forster on the New South Wales coast. As we got to the hills, the roads were getting narrower. There were quite a few places where there are roadworks repairing the roads from rains over recent times. You should see a wild road if it's open both ways. I wonder how long the lights are in there. As part of this trip, we planned to call into Forster to catch up with some family and friends. We planned a night out under the trees. With some recent branches falling, we thought cutting down a few of the risky dead ones was a wise thing to do. To save us climbing up into the tree, we used a saw that I keep in the car for emergencies. We tied a couple of ropes on the handle and threw it over the branch. Worked
Nearly there. Nice work, James.
Good idea.
We always love to see the local wildlife on our travels. We were watching this osprey over the river, and I was lucky enough to have the camera out and captured him getting some prey. We were having a night out with family and friends. We were lucky enough to score a fire spinning display by Seb.
Thanks for tuning in. Catch us, Tripwise Adventures, on the socials and give us a like if you like what you see.